Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you how to calculate ideal body weight using the NDAP method. NDAP stands for the Nutritionist Dietitians Association of the Philippines. This is the accredited integrated professional organization for registered nutritionist dietitians in the Philippines. The process of calculating ideal body weight using the NDAP method is similar to HAM-WE. There are different equations for male and female. We will start with the equation for the males. The starting weight is 112 pounds for the first 5 feet, and then add or deduct 4 pounds for every inch above or below 5 feet. For example, a male who stands 5 feet and 3 inches tall. Using the equation, we will start first with 112 pounds. And as you can see, his height is 5'3", which means that there are 3 inches above 5 feet. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna multiply 3 inches by 4 pounds as stated in the formula. So 3 times 4 equals 12 pounds. So next, we will add 12 pounds and 112 pounds. So that will give us 124 pounds. This is now the ideal body weight in pounds. But if you wanted to convert the weight in pounds to kilograms, we will use this conversion factor. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 2.2 pounds. So what we are gonna do is we will divide 124 by 2.2 pounds. So that will give us 56 kilograms. So the ideal body weight in kilograms is 56. Let's have another example using a male with a height lower than 5 feet. For example, an adult male with a height of 4 feet and 11 inches. Using the equation, we will start first with 112 pounds. As you can see, his height is 4'11", so he needs 1 inch more to reach 5 feet. So what we are gonna do is we will multiply 1 inch by 4 pounds, again as indicated in the equation. So 1 times 4 equals 4 pounds. Now since the height of our client is below 5 feet, we will deduct 4 pounds from 112 pounds. So 112 minus 4 equals 108 pounds. And to convert 108 pounds to kilograms, we will divide 108 by 2.2 pounds, and that will give us 49 kilograms. Let us proceed to the calculation of ideal body weight for the females. The starting weight is 106 pounds for the first 5 feet, and then add or deduct 4 pounds for every inch above or below 5 feet. Now for example, an adult female who stands 5 feet and 1 inch tall, we will start with 106 pounds. And because her height is 5'1", it means that there is 1 inch above 5 feet. We will multiply 1 inch by 4 pounds. So 1 times 4 equals 4 pounds. So we will add 106 pounds plus 4 pounds equals 110. And 110 converted into kilograms is equivalent to 50 kilograms. Next example is a female who is 4 feet and 9 inches tall. For this client, her height is 4'9", which means that she needs 3 inches more. 4'10", 4'11", and 5 feet. So 3 inches more to reach 5 feet. We will multiply 3 inches by 4 pounds. So 3 times 4 equals 12 pounds. 106 plus 12 equals 94 pounds. So 94 pounds converted into kilograms is equivalent to 42.7 kilograms. So that is how we are going to calculate the ideal body weight using NDAP method. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. If you have questions, comments, or content suggestions, please write them down in the comment section below. Thank you!